In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Workspace plan to annual. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, look for the admin console. This console is your central hub for managing various settings, including billing and subscriptions, so it's important to navigate here first. After entering the admin console, the next step is to access the Google Workspace dashboard. This is where you'll find all the administrative tools you need for managing your account. Take a moment to explore this section if you're new to it. Understanding how to navigate it can be very helpful in the long run. Now direct your attention to the billing section. You'll find this option in the sidebar menu of your dashboard. Click on it to reveal more details about your current billing situation and available payment plans. Billing is a crucial component of managing your Google Workspace account since it affects how and when you get charged. With the billing section open, you should see an option labeled subscriptions. Click on it and a list of your current subscriptions will appear. Here you can review all active subscriptions associated with your account. Understanding what you're subscribed to is vital, especially if you manage multiple licenses for your organization. Next, you'll need to select the subscription you wish to change to an annual payment plan. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click on it. Selecting the correct subscription is crucial, especially if you have several services listed under your account. Now we're almost done. You should see an option for changing the payment plan. Click on Change Payment Plan to proceed. At this point, you'll have the chance to switch your billing cycle from monthly to annual. Selecting an annual plan can offer cost benefits, as many services provide discounts for upfront yearly payments. Make sure this switch is beneficial for your needs. Finally, confirm your choice by following any on-screen prompts or confirmations that appear. These steps might slightly vary depending on whether Google Workspace has updated any terms or user interfaces, but overall the process should remain intuitive. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Google Workspace payment plan to an annual plan. Remember, when making billing changes, it's always a good idea to go over the terms again and ensure that this fits your budgeting and organizational needs. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions about Google Workspace or other tech related topics, feel free to explore more of our content.